In this video, you'll learn how to enable QR codes on Zoho Invoices. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully configured your invoices to include QR codes that your customers can scan for easy access to payment links and other information. Begin by navigating to the Zoho Invoice dashboard. Open your web browser and enter the Zoho Invoice URL. Once you arrive at the dashboard, ensure that you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your invoices. Next, locate and click on the Invoices option in the menu. This will direct you to the Invoices section where you can manage all aspects of your billing documents. You will see a list of your existing invoices and options to create new ones. After that, look for the Settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to open the Settings menu. From the Settings options, select Preferences followed by Invoices. This section allows you to adjust various configurations. Once in the Invoices preferences, find and click on the Invoice QR code option. This brings up the QR code settings where you can enable and customize the QR code that will appear on your invoices. Make sure to review the options available to understand how they affect the QR code display. Now click on the toggle switch to enable the QR code feature. When you do this, the switch will change position, indicating that the QR code functionality is now active. Take a moment to confirm that the toggle is switched to the on position before proceeding. Next, you will see options for QR code type. Click on this setting to choose how you want the QR code to function. One recommended option is to select when scanned, invoice URL will be displayed to the customer. This is particularly useful if you provide online payment options. Then you can set up a QR code description. Click on this field to enter any relevant information that you want to accompany the QR code. This description can help clarify what the QR code does for your customers. Finally, click on the Save button to apply all your changes. After you click Save, a confirmation message should appear indicating that your settings have been updated successfully. Ensure that all configurations are correct and reflect your intentions before you exit the settings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.